anointed and faithful servant of God. Dahil nakikita natin yan sa kanyang buhay, that she is a spiritual multiplier. Amen? And of course, she is so humble. Amen? We can feel it. The humility po sa kanyang puso. And because of that, Pastor Connie, we're celebrating because it's your birthday. It's a special time to give honor a servant like you, and we are so grateful. Thank you for your prayers for us, your encouragement to us. Kaya dahil dyan, merong small or short message ang City Church because we love you, Pastor Connie, and we want you to feel that you are truly valued and we miss you in Kuwait. So, enjoy your birthday. And I hope na mapagpala ka namin at ma-encourage ka namin sa aming short messages from our heart. Happy birthday!
Pastora Connie. She is a watcher. Why? Because she truly observed everything attentively. And she will give you some tips for your improvement. God bless po, Pastora.
Pastora Connie is a role model. I really admire her because she is so kind, loving, and dedicated to all what she is doing.
Si Pastora Connie ay humble dahil siya ay mahinhin magsalita. Yan si Pastora Connie.
Pastora Connie is sweet. She have a positive mood. Ang ganda niyang tumawa, mahinhin. Happy birthday, Pastora!